So it's been raining and the ground is quite soft, and so I'm going to show you how I do crack, and that is removing weeds from cracks. So yeah, I'll show you now. Right there, there's some weed in the cracks. We're going to get rid of it. Some weeds there. All of this, get rid of this. All of these and this. Oh, look at all these weeds in the cracks. Yep, better get rid of that. This one there. So I'm just doing crack right now because I want to do a dance, and so I don't want any of this crack showing in my dance. So that's why I'm weeding the cracks. This is how I do crack. I'm showing you my secrets. I'm revealing all my secrets to you. Just grab it. I don't want this to show in my dancing, you know? Ruin my video. All this crack. Elohim. Elohim Delulu. Hey, you come and help me do some crack? I'm really not interested. You don't need any. Yeah, good for you. You gonna come? You need to stop being nosy. You mind your business. You get off the fence. You stop looking at the neighbours like that, huh? You stop there. Come here. Get down from there. You know him. Hey. Hey, curious. Oh, the cat's curious. Grab your weeds from the crack. And yeah, all nice and tidy. Yeah, plenty of weed and plenty of cracks. Just plenty. Full of supply. All these weeds from these cracks. Oh, goodness. Oh, look at this big crack. I have removed the weeds, the stray weeds from the cracks. This is how we do crack. Okay? Here we go. Oh, look at this. Crack under the table. Oh, I don't want to be dealing with this. This is stuff my ex-husband likes to deal with. You know? Weed under the table. Look at that. Way too much. Too much weed in the cracks. Oh. just gonna grab these weeds. Now I don't really deal with this. Still not dealing under the table, did I? It's best to deal above the table, where the sun is shining. Too dark down here. Oh. Here we go. I have cleaned up all the cracks. Look at this. This takes way too long, okay, to get all this weed from these cracks. So my advice is just to use weed killer. It would save a lot of time because that has taken way too long. Just too long to get rid of all the weeds in the cracks. But you know, it does look beautiful. So much better. So now the cracks look all smooth, just like me, a smooth criminal. Do I look like a crackhead? Huh? Do I look like a crackhead?